Welcome to another episode of Hey John. And today, guys, we got a new accessory for the bed of the Silverado EV. As many of you know, a lot of the EVs, Silverados, that is, come with a spray-in bed liner, which is what I do have. But, okay, so just to give you an idea of why am I putting a bed cover over a spray-on liner, one, I kind of want to retain this. And I am already scraping things up. You can look down here in the corner and stuff like that. So it looks like we just need to get this all squared away in here. So let me put this camera back up and we'll get up here and see how this all fits. So I suppose like anything that's been folded for a while, it's been sitting in that box. I need it to kind of fit in here somehow. It's like a little long here, so probably need to squeeze it up. Okay, there it is. It's obviously not laying super flat yet. It does look like it'll probably fit pretty good, but it looks like it's gonna need probably to lay in the sunshine for a little bit to get all the so that it'll lay flat, right? So that's exactly what we're gonna do. We're gonna go park this in the sun. Okay, we're gonna go park this in the sun and see if it will let the bed liner lay down a little bit more after being cramped in that box for so long. So check this out, guys. I left the truck parked in the sun. I did leave the tailgate open so it would get full sun. And the bed liner is looking really nice. It's dirty because I stepped all over it, but it's laid down nice and flat. Looks really nice. We will be testing this out over the next few weeks, but I like the thickness of it. It feels like it's actually gonna protect it. I end up throwing a lot of metal in the back of my bed, like from T stakes for fence posts and things like that, and they really try to dig into your bed and bed liner. So this is just an extra layer of protection. Check it out. Looks pretty good. Like it. Check it out, guys. After spending a couple hours sitting out in the sun, it's no longer wobbly. It's looking really nice, and it fits really well. When I close this, I'll get another picture for you, but it fits inside the tailgate really, really nice. I'm liking this bed liner more and more. I like how it fits. It's nice and snug. It's not going to move around, and it's going to give me an extra layer of protection. And what's so cool is that bed liner came in this box. I mean, every time I've ever had to buy a bed liner, if it wasn't, if it's a spray on one, I had to take it somewhere and get it sprayed. And if I was getting a bed liner put in, I had to take it somewhere. The bed liner came to me in this box, so this is pretty cool. For the Silverado EV LT, it looks like this is the model number XSCH11B. And I am pleasantly surprised, quite frankly. I was a little worried early on where it was so wavy and stuff, but it has definitely settled down. It feels really nice and stuck in there. If we run into any issues, I definitely will let you guys know about it, but I'm anxious to abuse it a little bit and see what happens, which, by the way, according to the paper that came with this, under warranty and returns, 90-day money-back guarantee. So I will try to put a link up um, for this in the comments. So check the comments for a link. Comes with a lifetime guarantee. Not sure exactly what that covers. And says 24/7 online support. And they're a US company, actually located right here in California, it looks like. Really, really cool. Can't say enough about it. I like it. Hopefully, if you're looking for a bedliner, check this out. Lasfit. I believe when I asked them, I said, "What's that mean?" It's last fit, like the last bedliner you'll ever need. I kind of like that concept. I won't keep you long. Thanks for checking in. Please like and subscribe if you like this stuff. If you're shopping for a bedliner and this one looks like it's interesting, use any links that we've got there in the comments. See if you can get yourself a discount or whatnot. Okay? Have a great day. Please remember to like and subscribe. Talk to you later. Bye.